COMFIER sent me this foot massager for my review, and I just figured out something about it that I don't think I've seen in another foot massager, and I've used plenty of them. So let's check this out. So machine, absolutely beautiful. I love that it is compact, but it still fits a size 13 foot. So this is definitely great for the whole family. Really, really light, so you can move it around nice and easily. Of course, it does need to be plugged in, so you want to keep that in mind. And the control panel, it is so clear and everything is right here, easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So as soon as you turn it on, right away, it's like vibrating, it's moving, it's doing all of its things. But check this out. So, okay, so you have your heat, right? So the red, I love how clear it is. Red means high. I can hit the blue, then it means low. Hit it again if I don't want any heat, but oh, we love heat. Got to keep that heat on. Then we can go down to the kneading. So this is where I've never seen this before. So each of these can do this. You have your kneading, you have air, and you have vibration. Air meaning pressure, by the way, which is so great. It feels so fantastic around your ankles. So check this out. So let's say the kneading. You've got, as you can see, the low. Click it again, it goes to medium. Click it again, it goes to high. And then if I click it again, you can actually turn off the kneading. A few of the other machines that I've tried, you either have to have it on low, medium, or high. You don't normally can just like completely turn it all off. If you wanted to, you literally can turn off all of these and like just keep the heat on. Maybe you didn't want any of the vibrating and the pressure on your feet and you just want to put your feet in some nice heat. You can do that. Again, I just don't think I've ever seen that before, and I thought that that was really cool. On the high in here, honestly, it is so fantastically amazing. Like you can feel that pressure. I put my feet in here and it just was squeezing. Obviously, it depends on if you like that or not. My husband's more of like a medium kind of guy, whereas I'm the high. I want that pressure. I want that intense. It just feels so good on your feet. But like, look at this. Nothing's in here. Hopefully you can hear that vibrating. That just goes to show you how intense it is in there, which is definitely something that I absolutely love. And yeah, these completely unzip. So you have that inner zipper there. You can take these off so you can wash them. And like, look already within seconds. This is the pressure. I can't even stick my hand in here anymore, like right here, because that's the pressure that would be around your ankle, which feels so fantastic. Again, if you don't like that, you can completely turn it off, or you can go to low, you can go to medium. It's completely up to you. I love how customizable it is, and oh, just such a beautiful machine.